The Philippines, a land of enchanting islands and captivating beauty, is home to a spectacle that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries: Mayon Volcano. Rising majestically from the heart of Albay province, Mayon is more than just a geographical wonder. It is a symbol of enduring strength, a testament to nature's raw power, and a source of inspiration for all who lay eyes upon its majestic form. Mayon Volcano is renowned worldwide for its striking, symmetrical cone, a testament to nature's artistry. This iconic volcano, located in the Philippines, is often considered one of the most beautiful volcanoes in the world. Its almost perfect cone shape has fascinated geologists, photographers, and travelers alike. The symmetry of Mayon is not just a visual delight, but also a geological marvel, representing the dynamic processes of the Earth. Its slopes, rising gracefully at a near-perfect angle, are a testament to the countless eruptions that have shaped its form over millennia. Each eruption has contributed layers of lava and ash, gradually building up the volcano's structure. The slopes are steep, with an average angle of 35 to 40 degrees, making it a challenging climb for adventurers and mountaineers. The volcano's activity is closely monitored, as it has erupted over 50 times in the past 400 years. The volcano's near-perfect symmetry is a sight to behold, a testament to the meticulous forces that have sculpted its form over countless eruptions. This symmetry is not just a result of natural forces, but also a symbol of the delicate balance between destruction and creation. The eruptions, while destructive, have also played a crucial role in shaping the landscape and providing fertile soil for the surrounding areas. The volcano's base spans a massive 8 kilometers in diameter, while its summit reaches a breathtaking height of 2,462 meters above sea level. This towering height makes Mayon one of the most prominent features in the region, visible from miles away. The base of the volcano is surrounded by lush forests and farmlands, which benefit from the rich volcanic soil. The summit, often shrouded in clouds, offers a majestic view of the surrounding landscape. Mayon's slopes, blanketed in lush greenery, create a striking contrast against the often cloudless azure sky, a testament to the delicate balance between nature's power and serenity. The vegetation on the slopes includes a variety of plant species, some of which are endemic to the region. This lush greenery not only adds to the visual appeal of the volcano, but also supports a diverse ecosystem. The serene beauty of Mayon, juxtaposed with its potential for violent eruptions, makes it a symbol of nature's duality. In recent times, the advent of drone technology has provided us with breathtaking new perspectives of this natural wonder. Drones, soaring high above the landscape, capture Mayon Volcano in its full glory, revealing the intricate details of its slopes, the rugged beauty of its summit, and the awe-inspiring expanse of its base. These aerial images offer a unique vantage point, allowing us to appreciate the volcano's immense scale and grandeur from a perspective that was once reserved for the birds soaring above. The drone shots capture the interplay of light and shadow on the volcano's slopes, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of textures and hues. At the heart of Mayon Volcano lies its crater, a testament to the immense forces that lie dormant beneath its surface. Drone footage allows us to peer into this abyss, revealing a world of stark beauty and raw power. The crater, often shrouded in a veil of smoke and steam, serves as a constant reminder of the volcano's volatile nature. The drone's lens captures the rugged beauty of the crater walls, scarred and sculpted by centuries of eruptions. The sight of smoke billowing from the depths serves as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant beneath the surface, waiting to be unleashed. Section 5. Whispers of the Past, Cagsawa Church Ruins. Nestled at the foot of Mayon Volcano lies a poignant reminder of its destructive power, the Cagsawa Church Ruins. This site, steeped in history and tragedy, offers a glimpse into the past where nature's wrath met human resilience. The ruins are not just a collection of stones and remnants, they are a narrative of survival, loss, and the indomitable spirit of the people who once called this place home. These haunting remnants stand as a testament to the devastating eruption of 1814, an event that forever etched itself into the annals of history. The eruption was one of the most catastrophic in the region, spewing lava and ash that buried entire communities. The Cagsawa church, which once stood as a symbol of faith and unity, was engulfed in this natural disaster, leaving behind a story of sorrow and endurance. The Cagsawa church, once a beacon of faith and community, was buried under a torrent of volcanic debris, leaving behind only its bell tower as a solemn reminder of the tragedy. This bell tower, now standing in isolation, serves as a poignant symbol of the lives lost and the community that once thrived here. It is a silent witness to the power of nature and the fragility of human endeavors. Today, the Cagsawa church ruins serve as a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors from far and wide who come to pay homage to the past and marvel at the volcano's enduring presence. Tourists walk among the ruins, imagining the vibrant community that once existed here. They take in the sight of the bell tower, the only structure that withstood the eruption, and reflect on the resilience of the human spirit in the face of such overwhelming adversity. The ruins, framed against the backdrop of Mayon's majestic form, create a scene of haunting beauty, a testament to the delicate balance between nature's fury and the resilience of the human spirit. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the landscape, the ruins take on an ethereal quality, reminding us of the impermanence of human creations and the enduring power of nature. The Cagsawa church ruins stand as a silent yet powerful reminder of the past, urging us to remember and learn from the history etched in its stones. Section 6. Nature's Emerald Embrace. The surrounding beauty. Beyond the shadow of the volcano lies a world of vibrant life and breathtaking beauty. The landscapes here are a testament to the power of nature's resilience and its ability to heal and flourish. From the air, one can see a mosaic of green, a patchwork quilt of fields and forests that stretch as far as the eye can see. This is a place where life thrives in abundance, where every corner is teeming with the vibrancy of nature. The slopes of Mayon, once ravaged by eruptions, have been reclaimed by nature, transforming into a tapestry of lush greenery. The volcanic soil, rich in minerals, provides a fertile ground for a diverse array of plant life. Trees, shrubs and grasses have taken root, creating a verdant landscape that is both beautiful and resilient. This transformation is a powerful reminder of nature's ability to recover and renew itself even in the face of adversity. Emerald green rice terraces cascade down the volcano's lower slopes, a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. These terraces are not only a stunning visual spectacle, but also a vital part of the local agriculture. They represent centuries of knowledge and tradition, passed down through generations, and are a symbol of the harmonious relationship between humans and the natural world. The surrounding region is a haven for biodiversity, with numerous species of flora and fauna thriving in the shadow of the volcano. This area is home to a rich tapestry of life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The unique environment created by the volcanic soil and the microclimates of the region supports a wide variety of species, making it a hotspot for biodiversity and a crucial area for conservation efforts. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle flow of streams and rivers. These natural soundscapes create a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. The streams and rivers that flow through this region are lifelines, providing water to the diverse ecosystems and supporting the rich biodiversity that thrives here. This is a place where nature's beauty is on full display, a sanctuary of life and a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. Section 7. The Legend of Daragang Magayon, a tale of love and fury. The allure of Mayon Volcano extends beyond its physical beauty, woven into the very fabric of Filipino folklore and mythology. Legend has it that the volcano was formed as a result of a tragic love story. The tale of Daragang Magayon, the beautiful daughter of a chieftain, and her ill-fated love, Panganoron. The legend, passed down through generations, speaks of love, loss, and the enduring power of nature. It is said that Mayon's eruptions are a reminder of Daragang Magayon's fiery passion and the tragic fate that befell her and her lover. Section 8. A beacon of beauty and power. Mayon Volcano stands as a testament to the raw power and captivating beauty of the natural world. Its perfect cone, a symbol of enduring strength, has captivated hearts and minds for centuries, inspiring awe and wonder in all who behold it. From the breathtaking drone shots that reveal its intricate details to the haunting beauty of the Cagsawa church ruins, Mayon Volcano offers a glimpse into a world of both destruction and creation. Its slopes, once ravaged by eruptions, now teem with life, a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. Section 9. Conclusion: Mayon, an unforgettable encounter. A journey to Mayon Volcano is an unforgettable experience, a chance to witness the awe-inspiring power of nature and the captivating beauty that can arise from destruction. It is a place where legend and reality intertwine, where the past and present collide, and where the enduring spirit of the Filipino people shines through. Whether viewed from afar or explored up close, Mayon Volcano is a testament to the boundless wonders of our planet.